And the race is on. Sound Value from the outside, running by Drellis Golden Rage. Down on the inside, Real Magic Smashing Success. Batang Aplaya. Apple Splash, racing 6 by Drellis Pirikim. Brompe Candado, Holy King. A strong boy down on the inside, Jenny Cole and Hakuna. Matata is running at the tail of the field. 9-8 Sound Value by 2 lengths followed by Golden Rage. Real Magic is running in third alongside Smashing Success as they race the final corner. Sound Value from the outside. Golden Rage down on the inside. And nearing the last 200 meters more to round. Sound Value and Golden Rage down on the inside. Fighting it out for the lead. Sound Value, Golden Rage, Sound Value, Golden Rage, Sound Value doing the better. Golden Rage, Very King, Strong Boy, and for your Fentafecta, number 7, Rompe Candado.